Hello makers! Today we're exploring the crunchy, colorful world of morning cereals. From grains to the breakfast bowl, join us as we look at the exciting process of creating cereal in a factory. Let's get started. Step 1. Sourcing and preparing the grains. The process of manufacturing morning cereal starts with procuring high-quality grains. Corn, wheat, oats, and rice are among the most often utilized cereal grains. These grains are sent to the factory and cleaned to remove contaminants like dust, stones, and foreign particles. The grains are then inspected to ensure that they meet quality requirements. Step 2. Cooking the grains. After the grains have been washed and prepared, they are boiled to soften them and prepare them for future processing. Grains are combined with water and cooked in huge pressure cookers or steamers. This technique gelatinizes the starches in the grains, making them simpler to form and prepare in the following phases. Step 3. Drying and cooling. After heating, the grains are sent to drying machinery to eliminate any excess moisture. The grains are dried with hot air to reduce the moisture content to the required level. After drying, the grains are chilled to prevent over-drying and to maintain their texture. This stage prepares the grains for shape and seasoning. Step 4. Shaping the cereal. The next step is to shape the cooked and dried grains into the appropriate cereal forms. Cereals are shaped using a variety of processes, including extrusion. The grains are forced through an extruder, which is a machine that presses the grains through small apertures to form shapes like flakes, puffs, and rings. During this procedure, the extruder might add other components like sweeteners or vitamins. Flaking. To make flake cereals, cooked grains are rolled into thin flakes with big rollers. The flakes are then roasted to create the desired texture and crunch. Puffing. To make puffed cereals, grains are subjected to high-pressure steam and then rapidly released, causing them to expand and puff up. This method is often used for cereals such as puffed rice and maize puffs. Step 5. Toasting and baking. Once formed, the cereal pieces are toasted or baked to acquire their final texture and flavor. The toasting procedure makes the cereal crunchier and brings forth its natural flavors. During this phase, various cereals are coated with additional ingredients such as sugar or flavorings to provide a sweet or savory flavor. Step 6. Adding flavors and enhancements. After toasting, cereal pieces are frequently topped with additional tastes, sweeteners, or vitamins and minerals. This can be accomplished using a process known as enrobing, which involves spraying or mixing cereal with a coating solution. Sugar, honey, chocolate, fruit flavors, and vitamin additions are common cereal improvements. Step 7. Quality control. Quality control is a vital component of the cereal manufacturing process. Each batch's samples are evaluated to ensure that they satisfy the desired texture, flavor, and nutritional standards. This includes checking for size and shape consistency, as well as tasting the cereal to ensure it matches flavor requirements. Any batches that do not fulfill quality requirements are reprocessed or discarded. Step 8. Packaging. The finished cereal is then moved to packaging machinery and put into various sized boxes or bags. The packing procedure is intended to be hygienic and efficient, keeping the cereal fresh and uncontaminated. Product information is labeled on sealed packaging, including taste, expiration date, and nutritional content. Step 9. Distribution. Finally, the cereal is packaged and stored in a controlled atmosphere before being supplied to merchants. Efficient logistics guarantee that the cereal reaches stores swiftly while retaining its freshness and quality. From there, it makes its way to consumers, ready to be enjoyed as a quick and delicious breakfast choice. Every stage of the process, from acquiring the finest grains to the final packed product, is critical in creating the cereals that start our day. Thank you for joining us on our crunchy journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to We All Makers for more behind-the-scenes glimpses into the world of production and craftsmanship. See you next time.